What's up, guys? I am back and I am about to do a deep conditioner. I have not messed with my hair in a few days. I normally just spritz it, whatever, with this spray that I have with oil and water mix. But yeah, other than that, I still have my two flat twists going back, and I'm about to do a deep conditioner. The last time I washed my hair was last week, so it's been a week. And yeah, I'm gonna do an Aztec clay conditioner with apple cider vinegar and essential oils and oil, regular oil, carrier oil. So I'm gonna go and rinse my hair off, and I will see you guys soon.
Okay, I'm about to get my mask ready. I'm starting with the Aztec clay, and I'm gonna do about a half of a cup of Aztec clay. Later I'm gonna add a little bit more because I did need more for my hair, but now I'm gonna add some peppermint oil. I added about 20 drops of this. Okay, this is my vitamin E oil, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of this vitamin E. Okay, next is my sweet almond oil, and I'm going to do about a tablespoon of that oil, followed by some apple cider vinegar. Okay, first I started with about half a cup of apple cider vinegar, but this is up to your discretion fully. Add however much you need to in order to achieve the consistency that you like. I'm just going to go back and forth and play with it until I get the consistency that I need for my hair mask. Okay, the volume has significantly increased, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just right. Okay, I am back, and now that my hair is all wet and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and take out my twist and apply this mask. The reason why I make sure my hair is wet before applying the mask is because the mask is dry really quickly, and we want to make sure we keep our hair wet for this application. If you guys have been following me, then you know how happy I am that my hair has been growing as of late. I just want to keep this length, I want to retain it and just keep it healthy. That's overall what I really want. So yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a once over to make sure my hair is still a bit damp, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the mask. I really like how this mask makes your hair look when you're applying it. It really shows your texture, and it's just really beautiful to see.
Put a pretty good amount of peppermint oil in here. Yeah, but it's not bad. I feel it in my eyes, but it feels good.
Do you guys see how good my hair looks? This mask makes the texture really show. I'm just going to go ahead and reapply some more moisture and go ahead and put the rest of the mask on. Okay, now that I am done, I'm going to go ahead and let this sit with the cap on for about 30 minutes. If you have some sort of steamer or anything like that, or a heated towel, go ahead and use that. Okay, it is time for me to wash it out. I'm going to go ahead and rinse with lukewarm water. It is best to rinse with lukewarm water with this mask. My hair is so thick. I'm so happy right now about where my hair is. I can't wait for it to just do what it wants to do. Yeah, I'm looking at it right along with you guys. Just enjoying the view. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair with my shampoo bar from Bask and Bloom, one of my favorite companies. If you guys have not seen me use this before, it is in my one of my other videos. So if you did not see that yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check it out. It is right up here. Do you guys see that little tail right there? Okay, looks like I may have to clip a little bit back there. Okay, now I'm going in with my conditioner from Shea Moisture, the Manuka and Honey collection. Okay, I am back with my hair freshly washed. I'm going to go ahead and put my leave-ins and everything in and twist my hair up into one of my favorite protective styles, my flat twist. I am sealing everything in with my shea butter that I made. If you guys didn't see that video, which was really fun, you can see that right up here. Okay, on to the next side. Okay, I am nearing the end of my protective style. Overall, this mask was really great. I really like how it feels on my hair. It feels really strong. It feels really clean. My hair feels really clean. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm definitely going to be doing this mask again. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.